An HVAC system can come across as being complicated, but in reality, they're not so complicated that a homeowner can't make an informed decision. Hi, this is Kenneth with Atlas AC Repair, and this blog was created with a very specific goal in mind. That goal was to help bring people into the know of HVAC, to help simplify things, show people the different applications that might best apply to them, and then the costs that are tied to those applications. So step one is to understand some of the terminologies that we use whenever we talk about heating and cooling for homes. So let's start with HVAC. What does that mean? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. When these three components are put together, you get a complete heating and cooling system for your home. So let's start with H, heating. There's one piece of equipment that is mostly responsible for heating your home, and that is your furnace. Now, your furnace has two jobs. Job number one is to actually distribute air, so it blows the air throughout your ductwork. Job number two is to create the heat used to heat your home. Next is V. V stands for ventilation, and simply put, that's your ductwork throughout your home. And what your ductwork does is it makes sure that your air is directed to where it needs to go, and then it also makes sure that it's evenly distributed throughout your home. Lastly, there is AC, which stands for air conditioning. The piece of equipment that is mostly responsible for cooling your home is your outdoor AC unit. So how an AC unit works is it uses the outdoor ambient temperature to cool Freon. And from there, it sends the cold Freon to your furnace. This cold Freon makes its way to what we call coils inside your furnace. From there, your furnace blows air through those coils, cooling the air and distributing it throughout your home. From there, the Freon goes back to the outdoor AC unit to be cooled off again, and the process repeats. So you can see there are three major components that make a complete HVAC system work. You got your furnace, which is also known in the industry as an air handler. You got your outdoor AC unit, which is also known as a condenser, and then you have your ventilation that most people refer to your ductwork. I hope this simplified all the major components of the HVAC system. Now, if you're interested in learning the cost of all these components, you can refer to these links here.